everybody, hello everyone, welcome to the Jimmy 624 and I'm Nafisa.
I'm Jimmy.
Welcome.
Welcome. Hello people, hi guys, this is man the Jimmy 624 and today we came over here for do a trailer and the name of the trailer is Mukuti Amman, means translation is Nose Ring Goddess. And it's a kind of, I think, mythological film. You know what's the meaning of mythological?
Yes.
Means
It's a spiritual. You
yes,
mean
something
yeah.
like that. Okay, I think so. Okay, it's a mythological or something. Let me go through the description. It says it's an upcoming Tamil language Hindu devotional comedy film. That's a very strong content. Devotional and comedy film by R.J. Balaji and N.J. Shravanam. The former also wrote the script and starred as a male lead role, while what's his name? Nayantara. Oh yeah, she's a very famous actress in Tamil cinema industry. Nayantara starred as a title character. It's scheduled to release in Disney Hotstar on the eve of Diwali.
Oh, so nice. So mark your calendar.
So remaining other details I'll put it below. So let's go for the trailer reaction.
Let's go.
Now.
நான் நோன்பு கஞ்சியை குடிப்பேன் குடிப்பத்தை புசிப்பேன் ஆனால் ஒருபோதும் ஆடி மாதம் ஊற்றும் கூளை குடிக்கவே மாட்டேன்
கடவுள் இல்லங்கற பாரு அவன் ஓகே ஆனா ஒரு கடவுளை வசதி இன்னொரு கடவுளை திட்றான் பாரு அவன் டேஞ்சர்
தம்பி நாஜி டிவி ரிப்போர்ட்டரா
நீங்க பாத்துக்கிங்களா
நாஜி டிவி போன் அடிக்குது ஏங்கல்ஸ் ராமஸ் ஏங்கல்ஸ் ராமசாமி போன் அடிக்குதுன்னு எனக்கு தெரியாதா ஒண்ணெல்லாம் என்னமா பண்றாங்க
இவ ஐஏஎஸ் கோச்சிங் அவ பைலட் ட்ரெய்னிங் அது வந்து மெடிசின் நீட் ஒரே ஒரு தடவை
They're finding girl for that boy.
பிரச்சனை எல்லாம் தீந்துரும் கடவுளே கூப்பிட்டா போலாமா சாமியை கூப்பிட்டா கோயிலுக்கு போலாம்ல சாமி கூப்பிட்டுருச்சு
God called them.
நான் தான் அம்மன் மூக்குத்தி உங்க குலதெய்வம் 3 மூக்குத்தி பட்டா மூக்குத்தி மாயிடும் நீங்கெல்லாம் நம்பல இல்ல
அம்மா தாயே என்னமா இப்படி பண்ணிட்ட 10 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி வந்து பார்த்தா முகேஷ் அம்பானி ஆமா ஏன் உங்க முடி கருப்பா இல்லாம செம்மட்டியா பாரு நம்மன் மாதிரி இருக்கு
கண்ட தண்ணியில அபிஷேகம் பண்ணா அதான் கலர் மாறிடுச்சு கடவுள் தானே உங்க பவரை யூஸ் பண்ணி ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ்ல கேன்சல் பண்ணிடுங்களேன்
Oh, this one is very comedy.
இதுக்கு முன்னாடி வந்தேன்னு நினைச்சேன்
Oh my God.
கூடாதுன்னு பயந்தேனோம் எக்ஸாக்ட்டா அதே தான் நடந்திருக்கு
இவங்களை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் இவ்வளவுதான் கடவுள் இதான் பக்தி
தமிழ்நாட்டில் மட்டும்தான் இன்னும் மதத்தை வச்சு ஓட்டு வாங்க முடியல அடுத்த 5 வருஷத்துல அதை நான் வாங்கி காட்டுவேன்
பார்க்கலாம் அவன் என்ன பண்றான்னு பார்க்கலாம்
Diwali Hotstar. I had the subscription. So what do you think about this trailer?
It's a new type of movie for me because before that I used to watch some spiritual movies which has a serious concept, okay?
Yeah.
And it's only about the this one overview of the religion and the people who believe in religion or God or worshipping something special and something happened to them and everything goes to the lane of the serious matters, okay?
Yes.
But here you see there is a mixture of comedy and this kind of concepts which is quite interesting for me because I believe that whatever is going on in this kind of like religious stories can be get some spices of the this one fun, okay, to make people understand the better better concept of that movie. Okay, I like it so much, and this is my idea about the movie.
You know, I'm getting the feeling of the movie. Oh my God. There is also the same concept like this. Remember Akshay Kumar's movie, Oh My God, in which Akshay is the god and guiding the man. He lost his all property and he's putting case
Yeah,
on.
the guy who didn't believe God.
Yeah, something like
Yes,
this.
I
Even
remember
I think
that.
this movie also I'm getting a vibe something like that.
Yes.
And one thing which they said like the person who don't believe in God is not dangerous. The person who use God for their own purpose is dangerous.
And you know that it shows because of the reason that now Jimmy just mentioned. I believe that the writer of this movie must be a very intelligent person.
Yeah.
Because this is something
And
that
it's a very
most of
bold
the people,
topic to
yes,
make a movie.
yeah, it's a very like a new topic. Okay, you know the thing is
It's not new, but
most
it's a
of-
very bold. You need so much of courage to make a movie
yeah,
like
but
this
how
because
many? You see, it's new because till now less number of people made this. Okay, few people started doing talking about religion in this perspective.
Yeah.
Okay, but the point is the person is this one genius. I believe that he has done a very
Some
nice
wonderful job.
and the main thing is matter is like in third world countries or like in the countries in
which are
the
developing right now.
developing countries or some areas that people are not that much involved with technology and is still believing religion and their rituals and their
Supernatural
tradition.
powers.
Yeah, and supernatural powers and this one rituals and traditions. Okay, these kind of
Traditions
people,
and rituals are okay.
yes,
That is something
these kind
good.
of people, these kind of people generally get trapped by some people, okay, who are doing something in the name of God and getting some benefits from them, okay, and this is actually happening for many people, and that is why I believe that this writer and the director of this movie should be a very, very, very smart guy.
Yes. So this was a reaction on the movie name. I forgot the movie name because it's a little bit tough for me. Yeah, Mukhuti Aman.
Aman.
Mukhuti Aman. Okay, thank you so much for watching our video. If you really love our video, do like it, do share it and subscribe it.
Subscribe it.
And if you really, really like it, do share it with your friends and family. And till then,